Welcome, little artists! Let's draw a cute cat and then bring it to life with some color. Get your paper and coloring tools ready, and let's begin. Start by sketching the outline of the cat's body. Once you've finished drawing the cat, take a moment to admire your work. Now imagine the cat's eyes coming to life. Snap your fingers and watch as the cat's eyes start moving. Now that we have our cat drawn, let's add some color to make it come alive. You're doing wonderfully! Keep refining the details until your cat looks just right. And there you have it, a lovely cat ready. Great job, artists! Thanks for joining our adorable adventure. Subscribe for more fun activities like this. See you next time. Bye-bye.